Hey beauties, it's been way too long since I've uploaded a hair care video. My apologies to y'all, and I'm back on track. I'm currently doing low maintenance styles, and I've gotten a lot of questions regarding how do I keep up my ends looking clean and juicy. So for this video, I'm showing you guys how I dust my ends, add a little juice to my style, and staying on track with my everyday scalp massages. My style is on day 4, so my ends will look a little bit old. So the way I like to cut is if the hair is not even, if it doesn't appear thick enough, if there's a split end, knots, or if it's frizzy. I don't measure how much I trim, I just cut where my hair tells me to. So I keep focused on the fact that I want my hair to look full from roots to ends. So basically, health over length. No matter what, I still want my length, but of course, health matters most. And I don't have a set schedule also for when I dust my ends. You guys know I only do a major trim once a year, but when it comes to dusting my ends, I do this anytime my hair has a split end, a knot, it's tangled, it's frizzy, etc. Usually styles like the mini twist, a flat twist, chunky twist, or when I'm doing my deep condition finger coil method, or even pre-pooing, allow me to dust my ends more frequently. So this could be done every week, every 2 weeks, sometimes even twice a week. Basically, it's whenever my hair acts a fool, but styles like this make it a lot more easier to trim rather than having my hair out. Once the trimming is done, I'm going to be spraying my scalp with my henna tea. I will leave a link to the recipe above the video. It's super easy. I apply the henna tea all over my scalp, and I'm going to pat it down with my hands. I don't rub it in with my fingertips. I pat it down with my hands just to make sure my hair is going to absorb it. And I'm very gentle. It's only because the video was sped up a bit that looks like I'm doing it hard, but I'm gentle. Then I'm going in with my aloe vera juice. I'm going to spray this all over the same way, and as well as I'm going to spray it throughout my twist and on my ends with my henna tea. Once that's done, you're going to see me scrunching my hair. I scrunch just to ensure that the product is absorbing into my hair. Because this is a protective style, I don't want to get it messy. So I'm going to make sure my nape is well covered, my ends are well moist, and also the full length of my hair along with the scalp. To lock in all that moisture, I'm using the Main Choice Split End Treatment Syrup. I'm using 2 pumps of it, and I'm going to work it through the bottom part of my hair, especially my ends. I'm just going to scrunch that in. It's not a heavy product, but it does have oil, so I'm going to make sure my hair is sealed in with this stuff. I really like the serum, y'all. It's super moisturizing and really soft, but it ain't cheap. After that, I put my hair into a loose ponytail. I apply my silk scarf, and now it's time for my favorite part, the scalp massage. So when I'm wearing a protective style and massaging my scalp, I don't like to apply my fingertips directly onto my hair because me being naturally frizzy, I find my hair will just get really frizzy more, and it will just mess up my style. So I like to apply my silk scarf first or my satin scarf and then massage my scalp. Now the video is sped up, so this was about 4 minutes. No more than 5 I do about 4 minutes a night, just massaging my scalp. See? Super simple. It's a quick and easy routine. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.